Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make carrots delicious. First, select fresh, firm carrots. Wash and peel them thoroughly to remove any dirt or blemishes. Then, cut your carrots into uniform pieces, whether rounds, sticks, or chunks. This ensures they cook evenly and achieve the perfect texture every time. Roasting is a fantastic way to bring out the natural sweetness of carrots. Toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they are tender and slightly caramelized. For an extra treat, drizzle with a touch of maple syrup or honey. Glazing carrots creates a wonderfully rich and tender side dish. Start by sautéing your prepared carrots in a tablespoon of butter with a splash of water. Add a teaspoon of brown sugar or some fresh orange zest. Cook gently, stirring occasionally, until the liquid reduces and the carrots are beautifully coated and tender crisp. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavor pairings. Fresh herbs like dill, thyme, or parsley add a bright note. For a warmer profile, try spices such as cumin, ginger, or a dash of paprika. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a sprinkle of toasted nuts can provide a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.